Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia. And guess what? I'm hopping back in with more Soultanicals. You know what? This whole video making, social media, YouTube, Instagram, whatever thing is a game of algorithms and putting what's popular out there. Not my thing. I kind of gravitate with what works for me and what speaks to me and what inspires me. That's why I keep coming back to you with Soultanicals. Technically, this channel is to document my hair journey and what I discover along the way and how I shop and what attracts my attention and why I shop how I shop. So Soultanicals it is. And today I'm hopping in with the Mega Greens Butta Shampoo. I am on a shampoo hair journey as part of my curly hair journey because I don't know what's happened to my hair. I think it's been ever since I started growing out the blonde, and I'm pretty much all gray now except for the tips of my hair which have blonde. I realized the end of August was my 1-year gray hair anniversary. It's October now, so it's been a minute. But I don't know why it would change for the worse growing out my blonde and my hair being natural, because what happens with shampoo, most of the shampoos that I have been using which have been sulfate based, meaning that the cleansing surfactant is harsher than milder cleansing surfactants that are not sulfate based, if I get that correctly, is that my hair tangles up and it just feels like hay. So I don't know, it gets really stripped quite easily, which is why it feels like that. So I have yet to find a sulfate based shampoo that works great for my hair. So I've been working a lot with Soultanicals. I've been trying different things. Soultanicals has been the brand that I've tried the most when it comes to shampoos. I did really well with Miche. You can view that video here. But since I have a ton of Soultanicals products to go through, we're going to continue with that, which is why the Mega Greens Butta Shampoo is in the lineup. I have heard rave reviews about it and I can't wait to jump in. And honestly, if I wasn't on camera, this is what I would be doing in real life. Just hopping around, being inspired by what works for my hair, by what is pretty. The packaging of Soultanicals always gets my attention. The names, the people behind the brand. I love the founder, Ayogun. I love the team. They're just so cohesive and so love-based with what they put out, being cruelty-free, as natural as can be, and with how they interact with their soul fam. All of that together means a lot to me, which is why I'm on this Soultanicals hair journey. Thank you for following along. And before I start talking too much, which really happens a lot with my Soultanicals videos because I love them so much, let me get my hair wet and let's just dive in. I'm dripping away. What does it smell like? It feels minty to me. Am I crazy? Bentonite, rosemary, and superfoods. I don't know. I am so bad with scents. I like it though. I like it. Ooh, it's very thick and not shampoo-y, because shampoo-y would be liquid. I think I'm applying too much. I'm gonna try to spread it with my hands a little. It's hard for me to sit here in the middle of my closet with my fake background and shampoo my hair this way, because if I was in the shower, I would have soaking wet hair and the ability to spread this better, I believe. It feels really good. I forgot to start talking about the shampoo. Very thick texture, but when you put it in the hair, it's very easy to spread. My hair is not tangling up. It feels very conditioning. I love the smell. It smells so fresh. That's all I can say. If I can't give you an accurate description, I'll just say that it smells fresh. I'm going into my Tangle Teaser. Make sure I really get it in there like I would in the shower. However, my hair would be way wetter in the shower. So when I go to rinse it up, I might just do this again and wet my hair a little more just to get the most accurate results. But so far it feels really good. It doesn't lather, but I mean, I don't think that should be a requirement necessarily, as long as it really cleanses the hair. I also like to go into my Vanity Planet, which is my must, and just really get it in there. And again, I'm going to repeat this with a little water on my hair. I'm going to get this a little wet. I don't think I have to add more shampoo. I'm going to give it my all and see how I do. So I'm just going to go and cleanse this out, and the verdict is it is really good. Look, this is fresh off washing my hair. If it were any other shampoo, my fingers would be stuck. It would be like, hey, my hair would be like falling out just because I'd be ripping it out because of all the tangles. This is incredible. It feels really good. My hair feels really clean. My scalp feels really clean and happy. And more than anything, it feels really conditioned. I'm going to be following this with a deep conditioner / mask in my next video, so stay tuned for that. My hair is super, super happy. I mean, I really feel that I could go on, and this is rare for me to say, to my styling routine, my moisturizing styling routine, and my hair would be absolutely happy. Another win by Soultanicals with the Mega Greens Butta Shampoo. Get it while you can. I love it. I'm gonna cut it short because if you have watched my videos and you know me by now, I will wax poetic about Soultanicals and go on and on. So this is my offering to you, a short, sweet, to the point video that you hopefully like. Give me a little break from my verbosity. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are Soul fam and you have tried a number of their shampoos, have you tried this one? What do you think? What's the one you would recommend? If you aren't Soul fam, definitely delve into the brand. Check out my playlist for more. There is plenty to see if you don't know what to try. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And see you in my next one. Ciao for now.